This is the best tour that you can get in El Nido and super highly rated siya. As in legit views to ha guys, sa camera phone ko lang to. So, etong tour aid that I got guys, double-decker tong boat nila. As in sila lang yung double-decker dyan sa buong El Nido by Ellen's Tour. So, link will be here in my bio as well and then you can book it with Klook with my promo code. Guys, una dadalhin kayo sa Secret Lagoon. Oh my God, tingnan mo, ako yung una dito pumasok. Pak! Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. May pa-secret passage ka dyan. Pak na pak, di ba? Anyways guys, sila kuya, they will take your photos and ang gagaling talaga nila, I must say. So take this tour. And then, if mainit, take a buko girl. And guys, make sure that mag-additional ka, get a crystal kayak kasi in fairness, sobrang saya nito sa Big Lagoon naman to. Especially pag umuulan, ang ganda ng view and medyo malamig, walang init ng araw. And after that, magla-lunch kayo, syempre say your prayers first. And then, of course, I will try Tamilok! Okay, so we're gonna try Tamilok.
Ay, pala.
Okay, so ito po yung itsura niya.
Go!
Cheers!